right, that was my flower foam, and now we're just going to wet our flower foam in our watering pail. All right, and once our flower foam is soaked, we can stop adding the water. To get this started, I'm gonna bring in my iris flowers. These are so gorgeous. And we're just gonna go ahead and cut our irises at different lengths and then punch them right into our flower foam, just like so. This is such an easy and affordable little craft that you can do for a friend or a mom, and they will absolutely love it. Now I found these gorgeous calla lilies, and we're gonna go ahead and do the same that we did with the irises, and we're gonna put them right in our flower foam. I'm gonna make this next one a little bit longer so we can really get some depth with our florals. Gorgeous. Now I have some carnations, which are one of my favorite flowers, and we're just gonna cut those at multiple lengths as well to get some good variety. And we are gonna pop these in our flower foam, just continuing our method of madness in our beautiful watering can. Now I found these beautiful yellow flowers. I'm not exactly sure what they are. Maybe they're daisies, but we're gonna go ahead and add them to our bouquet and get this really full and beautiful. Just gonna pop that right there. We really wanna fill that flower foam the best we can. All right, I finished off my florals. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of greenery. Greenery just always adds that touch to the bouquet that makes it super special. And then we're gonna put some in the back so that it's just popping right out like that. And then I'm probably gonna put a short one right there. An extra little gift to add to our bouquet are these little packets of flower seeds. And I'm gonna go ahead and put them right on over. And then I have some hot glue, and I'm just gonna add a dollop of hot glue on the back of each one. And while that glue is still hot, I'm gonna bring in my skewers, and we're gonna just place our skewer right onto that hot glue. I think you guys can probably see where this is going. Let's let that dry super quick. All right, and then we can add an additional little gift to our bouquet by just pressing our flower seeds right into our floral foam. We can press them at different heights. Look how fun. One little finishing touch is, of course, a ribbon to make sure your mom knows it's a gift. And there you go. Such a fun Mother's Day gift, such a fun, girlfriend's gift for whoever that loves gardening.